Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Amazon Fire television. In this case, it's a 43 inches Omni QLED Series 4K UHD smart television. And it's of course possible to get this in 50 inch, 55 inch, 65 inch, and big 75 inch. This is really cool. You have this Omni QLED television in the shape you like. 43 inch is for medium and small size bedrooms, for example, or the children's room or something. 50 inch, 55 inches is for the standard living rooms. 65 and 75 inches, it's for the larger ones, okay? And all of that gives us stunning 4K quantum dot display. This is a QLED display that makes movie shows and live sports pop in bright, richer, and more lifelike colors. And this because of the QLED. QLED is a really cool technology which comes to us to make a better another looking dimension of television, for example. Oh yeah, and this is a smart device, so it's possible with this quantum dot display to look really cool series or movies or games, and of course live television. A quantum dot display is a display device that uses quantum dots, semiconductor nanocrystals, which can produce pure monochromatic red, green, and blue light. The photoemissive quantum dot particles are used in LCD backlight or display color filters. Quantum dots are excited by the blue light from the display panel to emit pure basic colors, which reduce the light losses and color crosstalk in color filters, improving a display brightness and a color gamut. Light travels through the QD layer, quantum dots, film, and traditional RGB filters made from color pigments, or touched QD filters with red and green QD color converters and blue pass-throughs. Although the QD color filter technology is primarily used in LED backlit LCDs, it is applied to the other displays technology with used color filters such as blue UV active matrix organic light emitted diodes. These are AMOLEDs or QLED micro LED display panels. The LED backlight LCD are the main application of the photo emission quantum dots. Touch the blue OLED panels with QD color filters are being researched. And the QLED here comes with these Fire TV Omni QLED to you at home. And we have advanced HDR. Scenes leap off the screen in deep, realistic color with Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 Plus adaptive. The HDR10 and the HLAG are also supported. And we have adaptive brightness. The Fire TV automatically optimizes the brightness of the movies and shows through a built-in sensor that detects the lighting in our room. And we have Fire Ambient experience. This turns our television screen into a canvas for displaying over 1,000 pieces of free artworks, personal photos, helpful Alexa widgets, and more. And we watch what we want, because this is a smart device. We stream over 1.5 million movies and television episodes. We watch favorites with subscription to Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus, and of course more. And we enjoy MGM Plus on us. If we are going to get this by Amazon, we receive a 6-month subscription of MGM Plus, included access to thousands of Hollywood movies and original series with a Fire television purchase. That's a big deal. And we have hands-free with Alexa. With the built-in microphones, we just ask to turn on the television and find, launch, and control the content. So we can put down the remote if we like. And we have built our home theater with that device here. With Alexa Home Theater, we can wirelessly pair Echo speakers using the Alexa app or connect a soundbar on an AV receiver. And we connect all devices what we need. Because we have 4 HDMI inputs to connect to cable or satellite and video game consoles, the HDMI ERRC lets us add audio equipment to enhance sound. And designed to protect our privacy too. We have a built-in with a privacy protection and controls, including a switch that electronically disconnects the microphones. So you can see Alexa is near, but if he does not need it, we can switch it off. This is more than smart. It's brilliant. We watch movies, shows, and live sports comes to life on a brilliant 4K QLED display with bright, vivid colors. HDR technology takes image quality a step further with due to live colors and shadows and details. And an all-new Fire Television Ambient experience brings atmosphere to our room too. We have Quantum Dot display in 4K. We have HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision IQ, and Fire TV Ambient experience. And hands-free with Alexa is possible. This is the next generation of HDR. This brings our viewing experience to a new level of luminance, realism, and color depth. With Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 Plus adaptive, the latest in HDR technology, and with support for HDR10 and HLG standards, we can watch even more movies and shows in breathtaking colors and picture perfect in any light. With the adaptive brightness, the Fire TV is optimized to display a wide range of content in different room environments. A built-in ambient light sensor allows the display to adjust the screen brightness to our lighting conditions. Additionally, the Dolby Vision IQ and the HDR10 Plus adaptive use the sensor to intelligently display every detail with incredible brightness, contrast, and color to deliver a perfect image in our room at every moment. And we liven up our living space. The Fire TV Ambient experience turns the biggest screen in our home into a personal display for beautiful artwork, family photos, music, and customizable Alexa widgets. Sensors ensure that the ambient experience is active when we enter the room and switch off if we leave the room again. This is an all-in-one entertainment system. From an easy-to-use home screen, we get to our favorite apps, cable satellite, video games, Amazon Luna, live television, and more. The Fire TV Omni QLED Series gives us access to 1.5 million movies and television episodes. We watch favorite Netflix movies or series or something else, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, Max, Peacock, Amazon Free, Pluto TV, Tubu, Paramount Plus, and others. Of course, we have subscription fees may apply to certain apps and services, of course, but we can use them because it's a smart television experience. The Fire TV is always adding a new Alexa skills. Featuring smart home compatibilities and voice functionality, we can ask Alexa to do things like start a video call with Alexa Communications or Zoom, or it shows pictures in Pictures live camera feed without interrupting our workout. We can also use AirPlay to share videos, photos, and music, and more from our compatible iPhone or iPad to our Fire Television Omni QLED Series. And when we are not watching television, Alexa Widgets gives us information what we need with just a glance. To get started, we just ask Alexa, what can we do here? Do we have Wi-Fi, soundbar, smart camera, thermostat, light bulb, and a lock function? This all we can add to a smarter home, and we can control it with Alexa. And Alexa is built in this television, so we can use and control it via this television. We have a built-in operation center and a built-in home theater. We're creating everything with that smart television. That's really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Alexa, switch off. Alexa, shut off. Alexa, switch off the television. Good, yeah.